Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The imagined 2025 Maserati Motorhome is an intriguing fusion of the vast flexibility of mobile living with Italian luxury. Although Maserati has historically focused on producing sleek sedans and high-performance sports vehicles, the idea of their entering the RV market evokes visions of unmatched luxury on wheels. A car like that would surely have the brand's distinctive design language, which is defined by flowing lines, a large grille with the Trident insignia, and finely detailed accents. The exterior would probably forego blatantly functional design in favor of a sleek form with integrated features that allude to both the promise of elegant travel and aerodynamic efficiency. The 2025 Maserati Motorhome, built on a specially designed or hand-picked premium chassis, would put an emphasis on a driving experience worthy of the brand's history. This would suggest a powerful yet elegant drivetrain, maybe based on their current lineup of engines, optimized for easy and comfortable long-distance driving. A comfortable ride would be guaranteed by an improved suspension system, most likely with adaptive damping, which would isolate passengers from the road's flaws while preserving a sense of poised control. The Maserati Motorhome's interior, a haven of custom luxury and Italian craftsmanship, would be its defining feature. Picture soft, hand-stitched leather upholstery on ergonomic seats, with fine wood veneers or carefully placed carbon fiber accents to complete the look. With a gourmet kitchenette with top-of-the-line equipment, a private sleeping area with the highest level of comfort, and a living area that is perfectly connected, the layout would be carefully planned to optimize both space and utility. Through carefully positioned panoramic windows, natural light would pour into the inside, giving residents a sense of space and engrossing views of their surroundings. With a cutting-edge infotainment system with seamless connectivity, advanced driver assistance features for increased safety and convenience, and a sophisticated climate control system to guarantee optimal comfort in any setting, the 2025 Maserati Motorhome would lead the way in terms of technology. The lighting, the controls' easy-to-use positioning, and the overall atmosphere of subtle beauty would all require meticulous attention to detail. Essentially, the 2025 Maserati Motorhome would be a mobile manifestation of discriminating taste and a dedication to the art of opulent living rather than just a mode of transportation. It would serve people who want to expand their enjoyment of life's finer things to their vacation adventures. The whole idea of grand touring reinvented, where the journey itself is infused with the style and finesse connected with the Maserati name, is appealing, even though the practicality of such a vehicle would require careful consideration. It would be a daring and maybe revolutionary foray into the luxury RV market, establishing a new standard for style and functionality in the motorhome industry.